Yeah, it given that particle moves along a number line like this. Okay, particle moves in a number line. Its position at time t is st, position we write as st, velocity as vt, acceleration as at. We write this. This is the common notations. It's given that a t is equal to 1. What does that mean? dv by dt is equal to 1. So vt is equal to t plus c. Okay, understand this? Now okay, let's put boundary conditions. Boundary condition is this. So putting boundary condition here. Okay, this boundary condition put here. So t is equal to 3, v is equal to minus 3. So what is c? Minus 6. So c is minus 6. So we get vt is equal to t minus 6. Okay, let's use everything else. Yeah, now let's find s. We know ds dt is equal to vt is equal to t minus 6. What does this gives? This gives st is equal to t square by 2 minus 6t plus c. Okay, let's erase everything else. Now apply boundary condition. The boundary condition is here. Putting the boundary condition, we get minus 10 is equal to 4 by 2 minus 12 plus c. So it is 2 here. C equal to 12 minus 10 minus 2. So 0. C is 0. So st is equal to, what do we get? St is equal to t square by 2 minus 6t. That's it. Now it is everything else. Now to find what we have to find s4. So put s4 is equal to 16 by 2 minus 6 into, put to 4, t is equal to 4. 8 minus 24 is equal to minus 16. That's the answer, minus 16. Okay. Arya is working on a boat that is sailing on an ocean. At a certain point, the boat encounters a current. Okay. So Arya walks at a speed of 5 km per hour in west leeward direction related to the boat. So first let's define the directions. Okay, north, east, west, south. This is I cap, you can say. This is j. This is minus j cap. This is what do you want? Minus I cap. Okay. Now let's the velocity of the speed of Arya with respect to the boat. This is AB is equal to what? Velocity of Arya with respect to C minus velocity of boat with respect to C. We are asked to find this. this is and this is given VAB is equal to 5 km per hour in westward, I mean minus I cap direction. So now let's find VA. We have to find VAS. So now let's find VBS. The net speed of boat after meeting the current with respect to the sea itself. So what is the velocity of current here? Current is 12 km per hour in eastward direction. I mean this 12 I cap plus 7 J cap. Okay, this is velocity of current. So velocity of boat and speed of boat, net speed with respect to sea is, it is itself going at 35 km in northward direction. 35 J cap plus 12 I cap plus 7 J cap. So how much it is? 42 J cap plus 12 I cap. Okay, yeah, that's it. So now we have to find VAS. So VAS is equal to nothing but VAB plus VBS. What is VAB? Minus 5 I cap. What is VBS? This is 42 J cap plus 12 I cap. So this is nothing but 7 I cap plus 42 J cap. Let me clear all this. Okay, VAS, this is we got. So what we got? VAS, we got the answer as 42 J cap plus 7 I cap. So it is like this. I mean this is the velocity, speed of area with respect to sea, the net. Okay, after the current meets the boat. So this is nothing but 7 I cap and like this. Okay. So what is the magnitude according to Pythagoras theorem? 42 square plus 7 square root of, wow, how much is this? It is approximately 5.8. This is the answer. So let's see the next problem. Here it is, there is a guy, this guy Beatrice, whatever the name is, I don't know, went on a road trip. By the end of the first day, she was 200 km from the starting point of her trip in a direction that is 300-degree rotation from the east. I mean, let's say east, north, south, west. So east is in x cap direction, I mean I cap, positive x axis. So let's say he start from this point, starting point is, okay, this is the x direction, this is y, and this is negative x direction, I cap. Okay, he end up in 200 km from the origin, I mean the starting point is. Okay, so and 300 degree rotation from east, so 300 degree means this much. So here is one starting point, second starting point. Let's say this is S1, this is S2. So this is 200 kilometers, and here it is, this angle is 300 degree. So now by the end of the second day, C was, this is the end of the first day. Now again he started from S2, and the end of the second day she was 150 km from where she was at the beginning of that day. So in the second day she started from S2. She was 150 km from the starting point of, I mean S2, and 250 degree rotation from east. So again we have to consider here another coordinate system. So this is, let's say, east, the I cap direction. Okay, so C was 250 degree, I mean this 150 kilometers, and this direction again is 250 degree. This is the final. Now we want to find this vector. So this is nothing but, you can see this is a vector addition, only triangular vector addition. This is R1, this is R2 vector, this is R vector. So R vector is nothing but R1 plus R2 by triangular vector addition. Now you know that what is R1. R1 is nothing but 200 cos 300 degree I cap plus 200 sin 300 degree J cap plus what is R2, 150 cos 250 degree I cap plus 150 sin 250 degree J cap. So when you add these two, you get, actually you can get, okay, what I can do it for you. So I solved it. So this is the final vector, this vector from the original coordinate system. Because now to find the angle we have to take arc tan of the mod. So it will be 314.159 by 48 sorry 697. So when you take this you get a theta, and you know this theta will be in this quadrant, so you get this theta. So to find the angle from positive direction, positive axis or eastward direction, in anticlockwise direction, you here you find the theta, so you have to subtract it from 360 degree, so you get the answer. The answer is 278.81 degree. That's it. Last problem. So Salma went on a walk in your neighborhood. First she walked straight 2 kilometers. The direction of that road is 20 degrees from east. So this is east, I mean I cap, whatever you call it. Okay, east, north, south, west, you can call it minus I cap. This is J cap, this is minus J cap. Okay, so first she walked from the starting 2 kilometers in a direction 20 degrees from the east. So this is 20 degree. Okay, R1, and this is 2 km. Okay, so then she turned into different road whose direction 100 degree rotation from west. She walked on a road 3 kilometers. So now from this point she turned 100 degree from east. So let's say this is east direction, so she turned like 100 degree like this, and she walked for 3 km. This is R2. this is 100. Okay, so now how far is similar from our starting point at the end of this work. So you have to find the magnitude of the resultant. That's it. This is resultant r1 plus r2. R is equal to r1 plus r2. What is r1? Let's write it. 2 cos 20 degree plus 3 cos 100 degree I cap in each direction, you can say, plus 2 sin 20 degree 3 sin 100 degree j cap. So okay, now find this. What is okay, let's use wait. You can do the calculation now. Pause the video. I'm also doing the calculation. 2 cos 20 degree is 1.87 plus 3 cos 100 degree, so it is 1.358 I cap. Okay, plus 2 sin 20 degree plus 3 sin 100 degree. This is 3.638 j cap. So what is the magnitude? 1.358 square root over. Okay, so what is it? Let's find out. Plus 1.3 square is equal to 15. Then so it is nothing but 3.88, the nearest 100. Okay, 3.8 kilometer from the starting point. So C is now this much distance from her starting point, or yeah. So let's check it. 3.88, right? 3.88. Yeah, that's right. Thank you.